Students, next we are going to learn about the topic is pressure in fluid. Pressure in fluid. What is fluid? All the flowing substance, both liquid and gas, are called fluids. All the flowing substance, both liquid and gas, are called fluids. Okay. Here listen, like solid, liquid, gas have weight. Therefore, it extract pressure. Okay. Now, we take one container. Now, we take one container. It is filled with water. It is filled with water. Okay. The pressure of the fluid extract in all direction. The pressure of the fluid extract in all direction. Okay. Here, at the same time, all the molecules of the fluids are constant. Okay. Why the molecules are moving in a rapid motion, or you understand here? All the molecules are moving in all direction. So they make collision. They make collision in other molecules. Okay. Do you understand? Students, next, listen here. Now you take one container. Okay. It is filling with gas. So the container having gas molecules. Here the pressure is moving in the upward direction. Okay, the pressure is moving in the upward direction. It is called gas pressure. What is called gas pressure? Here the container having the gas molecules. Here the pressure is moving in the upward direction. Okay, it is called gas pressure. Here the gas molecules are moving in the random motion. Okay. Here what motions? Rapid motion. But here all the molecules are moving in the random motion. Okay. So it's moving in all direction. It's moving in the all direction. So it extract pressure. Okay. So that pressure is moving in the upward direction. So the gas pressure moving higher pressure to the lower pressure. Higher pressure to the lower pressure. Okay. So fluid pressure is equal to total force exerted by the fluid divided by area over which the force is extracted. So fluid pressure P is equal to total force F, force divided by A. So what's the formula? Pressure is equal to F by A. Once again listen carefully. The fluid pressure is equal to total force exerted by the fluid divided by area over which the force is exerted. So F by A. P is equal to F by A. Okay. Next we are going to learn about the topic is pressure due to liquid. Pressure due to liquid. Here pressure in fluids. Okay. Now you take one container. The container is filled with water. Okay. Now you take one substance. Now you take one substance. Then it is immersed into the container. Now listen. The pressure is exerted on the substance. Do you understand? Here the pressure is exerted on the substance. So the force, what force exerted to the pressure of the liquid? Okay. So it is always perpendicular to the surface. So the pressure acting on all the side of the vessels. Okay. Acting on all side of the vessels. Now you take one container and take a balloon. Now the balloon is immersed in the container. Okay, the balloon is immersed in the container. Now what do you observe? The balloon immediately comes up. Okay, why? So it is floats on water because water exerts pressure in upward direction. Okay. So the balloon is floats in water. So So the pressure is acting on the lateral side of the vessel. Okay. Now you take one plastic container. Next experiment. Now you take one plastic container. Now you make 3 holes. Here listen. 1, 2, 3. The 3 holes in the same height. Okay. Now you fill with water. Now what do you observe? The water comes out with the same speed in all direction. Okay. So the liquid exerts lateral pressure in all side of the container. Okay. Do you understand the experiment? Student, one activity is given in your book. Now you do one activity. Take a transparent plastic pipe and one end of the pipe is tied to the balloon. Okay. And other end of the pipe you will flow the water. So what happened? The balloon tied at the bottom is stretched and bulges out. Okay. So what is the reason? Water poured in the pipe exerts a pressure on the bottom of the container. Do you understand? Now you are going to learn about the another topic, factors determining liquid. Okay, factors determining liquid. So first one, pressure in liquid. Here the pressure exerted by the liquid at a point is determined by 3 factors. They are depth, density of the liquid, acceleration due to gravity. Okay, depth, density of the liquid, acceleration due to gravity. So the 3 factors, pressure exerted by the liquid at a point is determined by 3 factors. It is very important. First one is depth. The symbol is height. Second one is density of the liquid. The symbol is rho. Okay. Rho. How did you write? Rho. Next one is the acceleration due to gravity. The symbol is G. Okay. Students, next you are doing another one activity. Now you take one plastic can. Okay. Make hole with the nail in the vertical line. Now the can is filled with water. What happened? Now you see the bottom hole. The water is coming from more pressure. Now here, what do you listen? The pressure depends on the depth. Okay. Now you see the top hole. The water is coming out from the low pressure. So now what do you understand? The pressure varies depends on depth. Okay. So what do you find out? The water may just dribbles out from the top hole, but water comes out with the increased pressure in the bottom hole. Okay. So this activity, what do you understand finally? The pressure varies as depth increases, but the pressure increases as depth increases. Okay. Finally, what do you observe in the activity? Pressure is same at the particular depth but independent of all direction. Pressure is same at the particular depth but independent of all direction. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you. Today class is over.